Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will let you know how to polish stainless steel. Choose a vinegar. Certain vinegars can work better than others. White and cider vinegar work similarly on stainless steel, but cider vinegar leaves a more pleasant smell. Check the direction of the grain. Like wood, stainless steel has a grain that will run either vertically or horizontally. Wiping the steel down in the direction of the grain will help you reach the small grooves where dirt or grime can get trapped. Spray your steel liberally with vinegar. Pour the vinegar in a spray bottle to lightly coat the stainless steel in vinegar. Then spray the vinegar over the item until the item is thinly covered in vinegar. If you do not want to use a spray bottle, you can moisten a cloth in a vinegar and evenly rub the item. Wipe the steel down with a soft cloth. Using either a soft cloth or paper towel, wipe the vinegar off in the direction of the grain. This will remove debris from the item and restore its shine. Remember to wipe in the direction of the grain. You don't want vinegar to stay caught in the grooves and cause your steel to fade over time. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.